All right. Today we had FOMC and Jerome Powell did the 50 basis points cut, which if you watched my weekend video was the scenario that I thought would be the worst off for the market. But obviously those are just my opinions. From here, we need to let the chart do all the talking. And today we did get a very bearish rejection from a new all-time high. And you can tell by looking at that candle body that the sellers were in control from the breakout. So that was a false bull breakout. And if we continue lower, things could get out of control to the downside very easily because the bears are getting more confidence the more we continue lower from that rejection. So if we do break today's low and get down below 560, we will likely be looking a lot more bearish. And that could easily take us back down to the bottom of the range at 556. And as I said last night, I still view SPY as a trading range between 556 and 565 until we get a clear breakout. And I do think there's a lot of risk to the downside, which favors the bears. And that is mostly from when we look at the other sectors and the other indices. So on SPY, just looking at it in a vacuum, you could think this is extremely bullish looking because we have this higher low and we're likely just going to break out and continue higher within a bull trend. But if you quickly switch this over to the NASDAQ 100 on the triple Qs, we are making lower highs. And if you look at today's price action, we had an extremely bearish rejection from that resistance trend line and we failed to break out above 477. So this is what is known as a false breakout, and intraday the bulls were trapped. So if we continue lower, we could easily go back down to the bottom of this range, which is all the way down here at 457. So if you watched my weekend video, you probably already know that I'm extremely bearish on Jerome Powell, and his decision today only made me even more bearish on his ability to make good decisions. And I do think that could affect the market because his decisions are very important and they are a form of manipulation to the market. And the form of manipulation he chose, in my opinion, is going to be detrimental to the market, which makes me even more bearish. But as I always tell you, I let the chart do all of the talking, and I will allow the chart to continue to confirm my theory instead of just assuming it. Which does mean if the chart proves me wrong and we get this raging bull breakout, I will get more bullish and I will take the long trades and I will ride the bull higher. However, I am extremely skeptical that that is going to be the scenario, and I do favor the bears blindly here until the bulls prove otherwise. So the bulls have everything to prove in my eyes. I am officially joining the bear camp until the bulls can prove me wrong, and I have no problem admitting that because we are right here up against resistance, and it causes me no pain and no agony to sit here and wait until the bulls can prove something. If the bulls prove they are the stronger ones, I will gladly join their camp, but right now I'm with you bears, and I am going to remain bearish until the bulls tell me otherwise, and the majority of my waiting will be in cash so that I do not lose if I am wrong. I would much rather sit in cash and wait for confirmation than guess and be incorrect and lose money. So I will continue mostly day trading and sitting in heavy cash positions. Today we absolutely cleaned house in the Discord server with the day trades and got very low risk short entries and did very well today. So if you want to come day trade with me, that'll be in my Discord server. And once I get more confirmation from the charts, I'll be adding swing trades very soon as well. So if you want all of that, you can join my Discord server by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And I cannot stress it enough, the risk is all to the downside right now. If we get the bull breakout, we are going to have plenty of time to react to it. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.